You just finished a track in Google Flow Music. It sounds great. Now imagine you could generate a music video for it with AI. No camera. No editing software. No crew. Just describe what you want, and Google's VO video model brings it to life. This is one of the most insane features in Flow Music, and most people haven't even tried it yet. In this video, I'll show you exactly how AI music video generation works with Flow Music and VO. Let's get into it. VO is Google's AI video generation model, and it's integrated directly into Flow Music. You create a track in Flow Music, then you switch to the music video mode. You describe the visuals you want: characters, settings, camera movements, color palette, aesthetic, and VO generates a video synced to your music. This isn't a basic visualizer that just pulses colors to the beat. This is full AI-generated video content. Characters. Cinematography. Scene transitions. All generated from text prompts and synchronized to your track. Here's how the workflow works. Step 1. Create or select your track in Flow Music. Any song you've made in producer mode can be used. Step 2. Open the music video creator. You'll see a prompt interface similar to producer mode, but focused on visuals instead of audio. Step 3. Describe your vision. This is where you give VO creative direction. You're the director. You describe the characters, the settings, the camera movements, the mood, the pacing. Let me give you a real example. I created a synthwave track with a retro, driving through the city at night vibe. For the video, I prompted something like this. A neon-lit cyberpunk city at night. A young woman with short pink hair drives a vintage motorcycle through rain-slicked streets. Reflections of neon signs in puddles. Fast cuts matching the beat. Cinematic wide shots of the skyline. Close-ups of her hands on the handlebars. Cyan and magenta color palette. Wong Kar-wai meets Blade Runner aesthetic. VO generated a video that synced to the music. The cuts matched the beat. The color palette was consistent. The character was recognizable across different shots. It wasn't perfect. AI video still has its quirks, but it was genuinely watchable. For a YouTube visual or a social media clip, it was more than good enough. The key to getting good results with VO is specificity. Don't say a music video with cool visuals. Say exactly what you want. The aesthetic. The setting. The characters. The camera movements. The transitions. The more detail you provide, the better the output. Here are some prompt templates you can steal. Template 1, for electronic music. Abstract geometric visuals. Pulsing neon lines synchronized to the beat. Particle effects that explode on drops. Dark background with vibrant accent colors. Minimalist but high energy. Thinktron meets a modern music visualizer. Template 2, for acoustic or folk music. Golden hour in a wheat field. Handheld camera following a person walking barefoot. Soft focus, lens flares, warm color palette. Slow motion shots of nature, wind in the grass, light through leaves. Intimate and nostalgic. Template 3, for hip-hop or R&B, urban rooftop at sunset. Silhouettes against the skyline. Slow motion shots of sneakers hitting pavement. Close-ups of jewelry and hands. Gritty but polished. High contrast. Music video by Cole Bennett aesthetic. Template 4, for orchestral or cinematic. Sweeping drone shots over mountains and oceans. Time-lapse clouds and stars. Slow, majestic camera movements. Epic scale, natural lighting. Hans Zimmer concert visuals meets Planet Earth documentary. You can also get super specific about characters. A silver-haired anime protagonist walking through a futuristic Tokyo street market at night. Detailed faces, expressive eyes. Rainy atmosphere with glowing holographic signs. Cinematic lighting with neon reflections. The more you describe, the more VO has to work with. And unlike image generation where you get one shot, VO generates video movement, continuity, pacing are all part of the challenge. A few things to know. Video generation takes longer than music generation. A 1-minute video clip can take several minutes to generate. Longer videos take proportionally longer. You can iterate on videos just like you iterate on music. If the first generation isn't quite right, keep the prompt but add more specific direction. The colors are too warm, make them cooler, more cyan and blue. Add more slow motion shots. The cuts are too fast, slow them down to match the verse tempo. You can also generate multiple versions of the same video with different styles. Take the same track, try a cyberpunk version, a nature version, an abstract version. See which one works best. VO-generated videos can be downloaded and used anywhere. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Your music video, your rights. Now let's talk about limitations. AI video generation is still early. You'll sometimes see morphing faces, weird physics, objects appearing and disappearing. It's not Hollywood. But for music videos, the bar is lower. People are more forgiving of stylistic AI visuals in the context of music. And here's the thing. Even with the imperfections, an AI-generated music video is infinitely better than a static image with a waveform visualizer. It gives your music a visual identity. It makes your YouTube uploads more engaging. It gives you content for social media. For independent artists who can't afford a real music video shoot, this is a breakthrough. You can generate visuals that would cost thousands of dollars to produce traditionally. The creative possibilities are enormous. Google Flow Music with VO video generation is free to try, link in the description. The Pro plan gives you more credits and higher quality output. If you're excited about AI music videos, hit like and subscribe. And I want to hear from you. What kind of music video would you create with VO? Drop your concept in the comments. The best one, I'll try to generate it. Link in the description. Now go direct your own music video.